Hello friend, how are you? I hope all is well and you are also fine and your family is also fine. Today I will be teach you what is Thordata Proxy and how to use it step by step. Today I will be learn thought data. What is the thought data and how to use it? What is the prices? How many type of logins and how many created account and which type of services in this proxy? It is very good or bad proxy. I will be testing also everything. I will be teach you in this video. That's so. Please keep and watch and interesting video. Okay, let's get started and today I will be teach everything in open. This is official website of Thordata. This is official website of Thordata.com. What is the Thordata.com? Thordata.com third anniversary sales residential proxy only for 0.65 every GB. Every GB is only for very cheapest prices. Okay, here to claim if you want to chat and you have to customer support, head to customer support and you have to chat and let's get started and everything's will be opens. Okay, everything's open. Hi, hello, how are you? If you have to any problem, suppose your proxy is not working and nothing will be do, then you can chat in this section. It is very useful for every persons. Okay, simply close this chat or minimize. Head to product and many type of options in these options. Product is many types: Cipra API, Web Scarp API, Web Unlocker, Scrubbing, Residential Proxy, Mobile Proxy, Static ISP Proxy, Data Center Proxy, High Bandwidth. Here to Google, YouTube, Facebook, and being many type of options you have to target in this company proxy. This company proxy is very powerful proxy. Okay, and this is features alag many different types and data is video data proxy, video data scraper, video data sets and processing also here. Suppose script API is 0.770 every 1000 and also residential proxy is 0.65 GB. Mobile proxy 2.20 every GB and static ISP proxy is 0.75 GB. And also will be data center proxy 0.75 IP every IP. High bandwidth proxy is $38 every day. $38 every day. This is many type of proxy options. If you have to click in these options, then many options. Okay, this is a regular and enterprise. You have to two types of plan, regular and enterprise. Suppose you have to buy the regular plans, then 1 GB is $2 every GB, 10 GB is 1.8 GB and 50 GB suppose you have to buy, then 1.50 every GB and 150 GB is $1 every GB and 350 GB is 0.880 GB. It will suppose you have to increase the GB, then you have to price also increase $10. Okay, 5 GB you have to buy, then $10. If you have 10 GB buy, then $8 and suppose you have to buy 50 GB data, then 75. This is regular. If you want to buy the enterprises plans, then simply click to enter enterprise. This is 1000 dB and 0.73 every GB. This is total is $730 and 2000 GB is 0.770 GB and total is $1400. It is prices. And also suppose you have to buy any other plans mobile proxy, then you have to buy only for 5 GB every 1 GB. 1 GB is prices is $5. $5. Okay, 25 GB data if you have to buy, then 3.96 every GB. Suppose if you have to buy 100 GB, then you have to pay 3.30 GB. If you have to buy 300 GB, then if you you have to pay 2.64 GB. 500 GB if you have to buy, then 2.20 GB. This is processing. This is very to processing, and if you have to buy, then simply clicks and buy. Okay, this is very good proxy and very high quality proxy. Here too many options. Suppose statics IP, if you have to buy, then one IP is 7 days validity, 27 days, 30 days validity, unlimited, no discount, 1.50. And if you have to buy the 2 and 9 proxies for 7 days or for 30 days, and 20% off, and 4.0 dollar every proxy. And many type of proxy. Suppose you have if you have to buy only for 100 IPs, then only for one IP is 0.81 IP. Okay, this is processing. This is processing. And if you have to premium proxy, then if you have to premium proxy, then prices also you have to increase. 7 days prices is 4.50. This is premium proxy. Negative is nothing. And also suppose you have to location, then here to all location, United States, Germany, and many type of options in here to Brazil, Japan, Australia, Mexico, United Kingdom, and Germany, and France, and many options. Okay, this is. Suppose if you have to want to create it, first of all account, then get started to free, get start to free. And you if you have to created a new account, then create a account, and email ID, password, and invite code, and sign up. If you have to did not want to create it and simple login with Gmail account, then click here to sign up with Gmail account. And if you have to login with Gmail account, this is very important. And after that you have a login, then simply click to login options, and you have to buy. If buy any type of plans is showing, and you to use easily to use very highest, very good proxy. This is. If you have to interested this plan, then please comment. And if you have to like our video, then like and share and comments, and give me subscribe me. Thanks for watching. Meet you next video. Thanks for watching.